everyone, I'm Fabio for Hi-Hertz Project. Today I'm gonna introduce you the SD30i intelligent amp by Mooer. This amplifier is a combo amplifier and it's also a modeler because inside you have tons of amplifier you can tweak and you can customize to create your presets. The amplifier has built-in 2 speakers so you can get stereo sound, stereo effects. On the above panel, as you can see, you have all the controls, a rotary knob to choose a different kind of sounds, so 2 cleans, drive, crunch and distortion. Then you have the overall control for the amplifier, gain, bass, mid, treble and volume, and 2 different effects that you can control directly on the amplifier, chorus vibrato or echo plate. You can control other kind of effects, but you need the application that I'll show you in a moment with the phone. So you have, of course, the instrument volume, which is the instrument input, as you can see, and of course the audio volume. This audio is useful to manage the volume when you record with this directly in your DAW, because you can use this as audio interface. Because as you can see here, you have this rack USB-C, you can go directly to your PC or Mac and you can record. This will be your audio interface, and this audio will be useful to manage the coming audio that you will listen of your DAW. You can also record in completely silent mode thanks to the headphones plug here. You can control, of course, the tap tempo and the presets. You have 4 different presets that you can import inside the amplifier. You can cycle between 4 different presets: purple color, red, blue and green, and again purple. Then you have the switch to engage the power of your amplifier, and of course the power supply, which is included with this amplifier, so great plus. This amplifier has built-in batteries, so in this moment I'm using batteries. As you can see, there is no any cable for my power, so it's really great also to bring with you this amplifier maybe in street play in your city, for example, because you have also this really lovely strap and it's really smooth later on and behind synthetic, so you can carry with you this whatever you want because it's really light. So let me show you how this amplifier sounds with different kind of sources here, different emulation of amplifiers, and then I'll show you all the stuff that you can do with the application. So today I'm recording with the microphones because I want to show you how this amplifier sounds in reality with the speaker, so not directly to record to your DAW because it will be too easy to listen the sound from the recording output. So we'll listen in a real situation, so basically this amplifier in a street, for example, and I'm using my Gibson Les Paul standard guitar. So let's start with a clean. We can change also the effects here, for example, more chorus and plate reverb. Clean 2. Drive. Let's plays without any effects. It's also really difficult to make it without effects. I can still listen some reverb because there is no any click on this rotary knob because it's really difficult. So you need the application to disengage, for example, the effects, and with the application will be really easier. Okay, now let's switch to the application. The app is called Mooer Amp. You can choose it. As you can see, we have the Shadow series or the Hornet series. Of course, this is a Shadow series. Searching device, and as you can see immediately. Let's choose it. Okay, it's pairing. Okay, as you can see, we have three different tabs: the Effects, Library, and Mixer. On the Effects tab, you can see the different banks that you can use and engage with the amplifier. You have already 10 banks from 0 up to 9, and each bank has 4 different presets. So basically you have 15 presets already to use, and you can also customize them. So as you can see here, I have customized the bank number 9. As you can see, there is the Mad Plexi and Mad Madness, which I made for this review. So if you engage one bank, for example, let's engage the bank 7. Now, if I change the preset from here, as you can see, it's cycling between the bank 7, so A, B, C, D from bank 7. So in this way, you can engage only one bank per time, but of course 4 different presets inside the amplifier, or you can also engage from the app. You can also change whatever you want with the switch, which is wireless from Mooer, but is of course apart. So for example, let's engage my preset Mad Plexi, and as you can see here, there is the routing. So you have an overdrive here, and it's the 808. You can also choose whatever you want, the overdrive, and change of course all the parameters here, all the parameters as you want. Amplifier, this is the Plexi 100, but you can choose up to 52 amplifiers, so different emulation, and change all the parameter of this amplifier. From dynamic, I've chosen the noise gate, but you can choose also compressor, wah, modulation, you can engage or not with the tap, delay, and reverb. So it's very, very simple. Let's listen to the sound of this one. I can switch from here. For example, let's go here, Mad Madness. This is an heavy metal sound with a gate. As you can see here, dynamic, I have a gate, which is working really well. Or for example, you can go here, funk sound, for example. Where is here the funk sound? Funky rhythm. Pad rhythm. Wow. Then you have the library tab, and as you can see, you can choose presets between different genres. For example, rock, you can see ADC, that I think it's AC/DC. Kamaz. Pop. And finally, we have the mixer tab. Here is useful to manage all the volume when you record with this amplifier, like an audio interface. As you can see, you have the Bluetooth, volume, USB rack, instrument, and master volume. So you can manage all with the application. And as you can see here, if I click this icon, this is telling me that I can control this amplifier with the 3S wireless pedal. I don't have it now, but you can do that. So guys, I think that this amplifier is really pleasant to listen and really great for home studio situation or for bedroom situation when you have to practice something, you have to warm up. So it's really great, and it's also portable, really liked. So for street artists is amazing, in my opinion. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.